Welcome to a very special guided drum meditation. My name is Davidson Eli, also known as Deacon, also known as D of dCONCEPT, creator of guided drum meditation, and this session will be based on relaxation. The reason why it's so special is because this is my first official guided drum meditation on the nature island of Dominica, which is where I was born. We are at the most southwest point of the island, which is called Scott's Head, in the parish of St. Mark. The focus today is relaxation. Close your eyes. Entering 7-point posture. Back straight, shoulders back, head straight, chin slightly tucked, eyes closed, palms on your lap facing up, and your tongue should be on the roof of your mouth or the palate. You can either be sitting on the floor, cross-legged, either lotus or half lotus, or if you're sitting in a chair, which is my preferred meditation position, have your feet flat on the floor or the ground, depending where you are. And let's begin. Allow this rhythm to take you deeper and deeper into relaxation, feeling good, feeling comfortable. Relax. Imagine yourself in a beautiful tropical paradise, clear waters, lush vegetation, and a volcanic, mountainous terrain. Vibrant colors of homes in the background. Beautiful and vibrant, like the people of the island. Imagine the leaf of a tree blowing in the wind. So much so that it falls from the tree. And as it falls from the very top, just before it hits the ground, a gust of wind picks the leaf high, high up in the air. And in the direction of the Caribbean Sea, landing on a wave, calmly and beautifully. Relax. Now imagine that leaf sitting on that wave, going out out from the Caribbean Sea towards the Atlantic Ocean, where the two are split. One, the Atlantic Ocean being rough and the Caribbean Sea being calm. Imagine and feel the energy and vibration of these particular areas coming together with the forces of nature. And relax. Allowing this next rhythm to take you further into relaxation, feeling good, feeling comfortable. Feeling relaxed, feeling good. Come back to your environment. Take with you a little piece of the lovely island of Dominica and enjoy the rest of your day. Enjoy.